Hi everyone and welcome back. If you want to move past just saying hello in Amharic, you need to learn how to ask questions. Questions are the key to starting a real conversation and understanding what's going on around you. Let's divide our topics into 5 parts. What, who, when, why, and how.
Let's start with what?
Of course, let's start with the most fundamental word, what. The core word for what is min. The basic phrase, what is this in Amharic is,
ይሄ ምንድን ነው?
what is that? Referring to something further away.
ያ ምንድን ነው?
If you are asking a man, what happened to you?
ምን ሆንክ?
If you are asking a woman, what happened to you?
ምን ሆንሽ?
And if you are asking a group of people or being polite, what happened to you all? You, sir, or ma'am?
ምን ሆናችሁ?
Next up is the question word who. The Amharic word is man. A polite way to ask who's talking to you on the phone or at the door is
ማነህ to a man or ማነሽ to a woman.
to ask who someone is, like who is he?
እሱ ማን ነው?
Asking about a direct object, meaning who are they looking for?
ማንን ፈልገው ነው?
To ask about the recipient of an action, meaning to whom did you give it? To a man.
ለማን ሰጠኸው?
If you are asking a group, who came over?
ማን ማን መጣ?
And to ask someone's companion, who is with you? To a man.
ከማን ጋር ነህ?
Next up is the question word when. Machi. This is how you ask about timing. The most common question, when did you come? To a man.
መቼ መጣ?
If you are asking about the future, when will you go? To a man.
መቼ ትሄዳለህ?
Asking about a specific event, like a party or meeting. When is the meeting?
ስብሰባው መቼ ነው?
Why? Lemon. This is how you ask for reasons and explanations.
ለምን?
To ask about a past decision, why did you go?
ለምን ሄድክ to a man. ለምን ሄድሽ to a woman.
Asking someone for the reason they didn't come. To a woman, why didn't you come?
ለምን አልመጣሽም?
How? Indeed. This is the key to asking about method, quality, and condition. How are you? To a man.
እንዴት ነህ?
Asking about the quality of something, like a meal or a movie. How was it?
እንዴት ነበር?
And to ask about the cost of a service. How much does it cost?
ስንት ብር ነው?
To say excuse me when you need to get someone's attention, the polite phrase is ይቅርታ, I'm sorry. You can also say please, እባክህ or እባክሽ, before making your request. To say sorry when apologizing for a mistake, you also use ይቅርታ, which literally means forgive me. but ይቅርታ is the most versatile and common phrase for both minor apologies and getting attention politely.
እንዴት ነሽ?
ደህና ነኝ።
የት ነሽ?
ቤት ነኝ። እንግዳ መጥቷል።
ማን ማን መጥቷል?
ቤቲ፣ ራሄል፣ አብርሃም እና ካሌብ። አንተስ ትመጣለህ?
እሺ መጣሁ።
The question word for who.
ማን?
The question word for what.
ምን?
The question word for where.
የት?
The question word for when.
መቼ?
The question word for how.
እንዴት?
And finally, the question word for why.
ለምን?
That brings our lesson on Amharic question words to an end. Questions are the starting point for every conversation. Practice these phrases often. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next lesson.